Hey y'all, it's Christina. Alright, so I just got this in the mail like not even 3 minutes ago. And I thought maybe I'd go ahead and immediately do the video now, since I'm go ahead and have everything here. Put this upside down, I guess. Alright, so. Alright, so. Let's see, again, I've got more Purcell Pro Clean discs, which I have 2 right here. So it's like, this would be great for when I have this pile of clothes I want to wash. So that'll be great for when I do that. Alright, so I'm trying to find a place to put this. Right here. By the way, I did use that, sauce thing, and it worked. Alright, so the next thing is I guess this is, a serum, a double serum. Let's see. Yeah, so this is what it is. I think I'm going to probably use this next time I take a shower or something, and I'll let y'all know. And with this coronavirus going around, I have baby wipes in case we run out of toilet paper. Ow. Alright, so I have a coupon for the Purcell, and I guess I have, let's see here. Be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Alright, let's see. I got a cup of water, so try to open this up now. Alright, there we go. So, alright. Oh, these are pills, not, let's see, let me go find that other, let me be right back. Alright, I'm back. Let me check real quick. I'm also expecting another package, which I have not gotten a notification for yet. Alright, so this is for acid and indigestion relief, which I've been getting a little bit of heartburn lately. And that's when I go in and grab this. So, alright, let's see. So I guess it does say water. So, water. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this. It's, see, so yeah. So these are what the pills looks like. It says take 1 to 2, so I'm going to take 2. Because I feel like I've got a little bit of that heartburn coming on. Oh, chugging the rest of it was like, ugh. Yucko. Alright, so. I think I'm gonna, see how fast that works. So, yeah. So, I guess I could get this, Mother Nature's apothecary. So, yeah. It's great. This is, great for, Mateys All Natural Indigestion Relief. Let's see, heartburn, great for heartburn, indigestion, reflux, upset stomach, nausea, pregnancy, heartburn. I'm not pregnant. Sour stomach and digestive supplement. What's in the pills are ginger root, coriander seed, clove bud, apple cider vinegar, turmeric, honey, and sea salt. Alright, let's real close. This is like giving the information about it, which I'll hold it like right here. And it's, in case you can't read it, it says in each of the little green things, it says low stomach the real cause of acid indigestion. It says low stomach acid, bacteria growth, overgrowth in your stomach, improper digestion, gas and bloating in your stomach, lower esophageal sphincter, LES malfunction, acid backing up into your esophagus, indigestion, heartburn symptoms. Right, so I think I'm probably give this another try. It's there's two more in here, so I'll probably take those later or tomorrow. Alright, so to keep it safe from falling all over the place, I'm also going to keep the back as well. So this is all this is straight from the mailman. Because I felt my phone go bzz bzz, and without looking, I immediately ran out to the mailbox. I gave him as always, I always give him a bottle of water every time I'm able to catch up to him. So I gave him a bottle of water. He handed me the mail. And I was like, yeah, I knew the mail hit came because I felt my phone go bzz bzz, and I got a text about it. So yeah, alright, I guess I'm gonna, probably, I should really take this off, so, probably can't even get that off right now, so, and this serum has banana, turmeric, ginger lily, and leaf of life. So I'm gonna see. Let's see, take this off. Alright. So don't have moisturizer, which I need to get that. Unless you count the hemp lotion I got behind me as hemp lotion. So trying to also get the glue off. Okay, it says fold here. It says to use before. So excuse me. When I shivered like I did, that didn't taste good. Or it'll take a while to get used to it. I'm trying to also get both in. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead like this. I'm using the phone as a mirror because my mirrors are here. Alright. Ooh, it smells like roses. Probably should also clean my face before this. Alright. Don't worry, I'm gonna wash my hands after this. Alright, yeah, wait, where did I put it? So, be right back. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna check the phone again because I'm still waiting on another item. But the only thing I see here is the weather for my area. So, still waiting on that other item. So, I'm probably going to use this coupon when I can, which expires at the end of this year. So, I'm going to put this over here. Alright, so, alright, how long until, alright, so this is recycled. So, I guess this was just packed on the, no. Alright, so yeah. So this has water, which is 99.9% of it, citrus grandis, which is grapefruit seed extract, and yeah, so, let's see. Yeah, this is probably, like, good for, like, rashes, because it's, like, this thing is, like, how the creator's newborn daughter was breaking out from had bad diaper rash on her sensitive skin and found out that the wipes they were using was not good. So, yeah, and that's how this brand was created, because it's like, it says it right here, so I'm like, if y'all want, y'all can, like, read the story right here. So, yeah. Alright, so that's going to be about it for this video. Also, my mom went up to the store because she had to get my brother, because he needed help with something, and asked her to pick me up some more soda that I tried earlier in the week. I didn't get around to, like, doing a video on it, so it's like, this is an already open can, and it's Dr. Pepper and cream soda, which I think is good, because I went through the whole case in maybe within 4 days. It's a 12-pack, so I was like, I like it. Alright, so that's probably going to be about it for this video. I am waiting on the vacuum cleaner, and that pillow I showed you in the last video. Oh, that night when I used it, that first night I used it, I was like, oh, I'll tell you what, I was not sweating that night at all. So, that pillow was cool, because we also had the AC pumping that day. It was like, I think my area broke a record high, which was like 84 degrees, and that was set back in, I think they said 1948 or 1848. And that day was 88 degrees. So yeah. So I gotta check to see when the next package is coming. Actually, come to think of it, I might be able to do the review for the actually I can see when. Alright, so it says scheduled delivery. So, yeah, I think that's going to be about it for this video. Let you know when the next package will come. Bye, y'all.